Thank you so much for joining in for another video from our LTR group, guys. So today we are going to talk about the 26,000 that we have made over here with just one trade that we had bought at 10:30, and that was at 284. That's 31,900 PE, and sold it at 311 at 11:35 for 311.34. So of course it was quite a tiring day, guys, and I want to be honest with you. We were over here at this particular position under the confluence zone. We were waiting for the market to consolidate, and then it broke the lows. And then when it followed the breakout at the bottom, we were planning to go and buy a position. And when we bought our position, we were in a minus of 40,000. Then again we came in plus. Then again we went into a minus 20,000, and eventually it came to our targets and hit it. So our target was placed at 32,050. Of course, the market has traveled very far from that particular point of time. So we had bought it over here at 280. Let me just show this particular option for you. So I had gone ahead and initiated that particular trade over here at 283. So it came down, it went up, it came down, it went up, it gave a breakout, it came down, and then it just flew. So we had booked our positions over here because it was the day's high for the option. After that, of course, it traveled a lot more points and we could have made a lot of money. But the point here is that is your conviction in place? So today our conviction was in place. A lot of people who joined in new on Monday had some butterfingers and had traded, and they were very nervous about this is going in negative. What would you do? But you know what? I went ahead and I showed them that when HDFC is going to be breaking this particular trend line, we are going to get our target. So we were waiting for this to happen, and when it broke, we got our target. So the analysis of understanding the confluence zone, the analysis of understanding how the banks are operating, the analysis of how the call and put are actioning, these are a lot many things that a person needs to understand to make that kind of money that I've just made today. But the thing is that I can shorten it up for you guys. What I want you to do is join our Telegram, which is listed below this particular video, or visit our website and become our member tomorrow, so that you can make the same consistent amount of profit with an expert sitting and telling you and guiding you towards your success. So I want you to be the part of the next team. And today was a fabulous day. I'm so happy whatever has happened. I thank my participants. My participants made more than me today. That's, I feel very proud. So it's like me being a teacher, and when my students become a great entity more than me, I'm fine with that. I just love that part. So I want you to be my students as well. So I'm welcoming you to RLTR group. So see you around on the other side, and we'll hope to go ahead and get more participants and make it their profitable day too. Thank you so much for your time. I wish you have a wonderful day ahead. Please do share your love with your loved ones. Take care and adios. Bye bye. Jai Hind.